Welcome. I don't remember in which day we are anymore, so I'm just going to go ahead and start this hashtag Codetober video. So for this video, I am going to explain what I said on the last video, which was the equal-ish operator, this one here. The description says, let me zoom in, equality operator that tries to coerce one value to the type of the other when the types are different. And here is an example. So let me take this. Now I put it on my DataWeave playground. And this is like, I don't care about any of this. I just want to see these three. Right. So I am saying, the first thing I'm saying is, here you can see that it's a string, so string true equals ish to true, like an actual true, and the result is true. Yes, it is equal-ish. And then we have an array of a string true and a boolean true, an array with a boolean true. So are these equal-ish? Yes, they are equal-ish. And finally we have a string with a 1 is equal-ish to an actual number 1, and yes, this is true. If I were to use here the equals operator instead of the equal-ish, then this would be false. This would be false, and this would be false. So that's basically why I'm using the equal-ish operator for my other function, which is here. Because I'm saying, like, when I take this true, or these 1, 2, 3, both of them will be a string, because I'm doing the split by, and my split by return is an array of strings, remember? So this is a string, 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 and this is a string. So I'm doing the equal-ish, because if I were to use the equal operation, then this wouldn't work. I have nothing being returned because my ID is a number and my active is a boolean, but I am trying to compare them to strings. So if I didn't use the equal-ish operator and I just use the equals operator, it would always return false, except for this one. So let me do that actually. So now if I am just trying to get the name ABC, let me change this to other names. And I get just the 1, 2, 3. But then if I change this to equals, it would work, because ABC is a string and I am sending a string. But if I wanted to retrieve the ID and I wanted to say 1, 2, 3, this wouldn't work because I'm trying to compare a string with a number, and I need the equal-ish operator for that. I don't know what the actual name for this is. I mean, it just says like equality and relational operators, and it doesn't really say what this name is. So I'm just calling it the equal-ish operator. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do something else. Follow me on socials at Martinez and subscribe in the round button that you will see up here. Bye!